Hello guys, welcome to our channel Study Smart Tech. In this video, we will discuss computer operator 2069 BS or 2012 AD old question paper. So to join our channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. So let's start with the first question. Question number 1. Address given to a computer connected to a network is called option A system, B process ID, C sys ID, D IP address. So correct answer is option D IP address, because those computer which are connected with network or internet have a IP address. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a programming language? Option A Pascal, B Basic, C C++, D Word. Correct answer is option D Word, because Pascal, Basic, C++ are programming language, but Word is application program. Question number 3. Abbreviation CAD stands for option A computer aided design, B customize aided design, C calculator aided diagram, D compute aided diagram. And correct answer is option A computer aided design. Question number 4. In which display unit ... is the ratio of the horizontal length to the vertical length? Option A aspect ratio, B resolution, C contrast, D bit. Correct answer is option B resolution, because resolution is the ratio of the horizontal length to the vertical length. Question number 5. Which of the following is not the part of the CPU? Option A arithmetic logic unit, B hard disk, C control unit, D cache memory. And correct answer is option B hard disk. Hard disk is not part of CPU because it is secondary memory. Question number 6. Which of the following is temporary memory? Option A cache memory, B PROM, C RAM, D EEPROM. And the correct answer is option C RAM. RAM is a temporary memory. Question number 7. 100 milliseconds equal to option A 1 second, B 10 second, C 0.01 second, D 0.1 second. Correct option is option D 0.1 second. 100 millisecond equal to 0.1 second. Question number 8. USB stands for option A ultra silent bus, B uni service bus, C universal serial bus, D upper side bus. And correct option is option C universal serial bus. Question number 9. The binary number 101 is equivalent to option A 3, B 5, C 7, D 9. And the correct answer is option B 5. 5 is equal to 101. Question number 10. Device that provide input or output to the computer are called option A externality, B peripheral, C posterior, D sensors. And the correct answer is option B peripheral. Peripheral devices provide input or output to the computer. Question number 11. Which of the following can be used as a wildcard? Option A @ B dollar, C asterisk, D tilde operator. And correct option is option C. Asterisk is wildcard character. Question number 12. The Electronic Transaction Act 2008 has provision of ... for legal validity of electronic transaction. Option A digital signature, B biometric signature, C RFID card, D all of the above. And correct option is option A digital signature. Question number 13. A computer program that can replicate itself and is spread from one computer to another is option A replicator, B transmitter, C virus, D antivirus. And correct option is option C virus. Virus is the computer program that replicate and is spread from one computer to another. Question number 14. When a key is pressed on the keyboard, which standard is normally used for converting the keystroke into the corresponding bits? Option A ANSI, B ASCII, C EBCDIC, D ISO. And correct option is option B ASCII. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Question number 15. Operating system is option A collection of hardware components, B a collection of input output devices, C collection of software routines, D all of the above. So correct answer is option C a collection of software routines. Question number 16. What should be the extension of executable files in Windows? Option A exe, B doe, C exl, D all of the above. So correct answer is option A exe. Exe means executable file. Question number 17. Default text editor in Windows is option A Notepad, B WordPad, C OnePad, D WinWord. So correct option is option A Notepad. Notepad is the default text editor in a window. Question number 18. Which of the following is not a control panel item? Option A WinWord, B administrative tools, C create folders, D fonts. So correct option is C create folder. Create folder is not a control panel item. Question number 19. FAT stands for option A. File accommodation, B. File access step, C. File allocation table, D. File activity table. So correct option is option C. File allocation table. Question number 20. Which of the following is a feature of MS Word? Option A. Drag and drop, B. Text wrap, C. Find and replace, D. All of the above. So correct answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 21. Increase the readability of text. Option A. Shape, B. Bullet and numbering, C. Thesaurus, D. Help. So correct option is option B. Bullet and numbering. Question number 22. Which is not the type of indent available in MS Word? Option A. Right indent, B. Left indent, C. Center indent, D. Hanging indent. And correct option is option C. Center indent. Center indent, not type of indent. Question number 23. Page number is inserted as ... Option A. Footnote, B. Endnote, C. Footer, D. None of the above. And correct option is option C. Footer. Page number is inserted in footer. Question number 24. Shortcut key combination for undo is option A. Control plus U, B. Control plus Y, C. Control plus Z, D. Control plus B. And correct option is option C. Control plus Z, used for undo operation. Question number 25. Which of the following is a page layout? Option A. Insert, B. Portrait, C. Template, D. Window. And correct option is option B. Portrait. Portrait is a page layout. Question number 26. Shortcut key combination for displaying print dialog box is option A. Control plus P, B. Control plus T, C. Control plus A, D. Control plus N. And correct option is option A. Control plus P. Control plus P display print dialog box. Question number 27. Password is to be option A. Frequently changed, B. A combination of letter, digit and symbols, C. Used to prevent unauthorized access, D. All of the above. And correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 28. The feature of MS Word that combines a set of database records with a main document is option A. Auto-wrap, B. Mail merge, C. Autocorrect, D. Word wrap. And correct option is option B. Mail merge. Mail merge combines set of database records with a main document. Question number 29. In MS Word, which of the following is not available in paragraph? Option A. Single, B. Double, C. Triple, D. Multiple. And correct option is option C. Triple. Triple is not available in paragraph spacing. Question number 30. Page formatting, which is used frequently in futures, is saved as option A. master document, B. theme, C. cross reference, D. template. And correct option is option D. template. Question number 31. Shortcut key for manual break in Word. Option A. Control plus enter, B. shift plus space bar, C. control plus shift plus enter, D. alt plus enter. So correct option is option C. Control plus shift plus enter. Question number 32. Control plus shift plus D. Option A. double paragraph spacing, B. delete current word, C. dotted underline, D. double underline. And correct option is option D. double underline. Question number 33. Leader character is associated with dot dot dot. Option A. bullet and numbering, B. gutter, C. indent, D. tab. And correct option is option D. tab. Question number 34. Which of the cell pointer indicates that you can fill series? Option A. doctor symbol, B. small thin plus icon, C. mouse pointer with anchor at the tip, D. none of the above. And correct option is option B. small thin plus icon. Question number 35. Which of the following option is not available in paste special dialog box? Option A. add, B. subtract, C. divide, D. square root. And correct option is option D. square root. Square root is not available in paste dialog box. Question number 36. Each Excel file is a workbook that contains different sheets. Which of the following cannot be a sheet in workbook? Option A. worksheet, B. chart sheet, C. module sheet, D. data sheet. And correct option is option D. data sheet. Data sheet cannot be a sheet in workbook. Question number 37. You can auto fit the width of column by option A. double clicking on the column name on column header, B. double click on the cell pointer in a worksheet, C. double clicking on column right border of a column header, D. double clicking on the column left border of column header. So correct option is option C. double clicking on column right border of a column header. Question number 38. Which is the shortcut key to replace a data with another in a sheet? Option A. Control plus R, B. Control plus shift plus R, C. Control plus S, D. Control plus F. And correct option is Control plus H. Option C. Control plus H key replace a data with another in a sheet. Question number 39. If you need a text to show vertically in a cell, how will you achieve this? Option A. choose vertical on text alignment in a format cell dialog box, B. choose 90° in a orientation of format cell dialog box, C. choose distributed from the vertical drop down list of format cell dialog box. D. Choose enter across selection from horizontal combo box in format cell dialog box. So correct option is option B. Choose 90 degree in a orientation of format cell dialog box. Move to the question number 40. Formatting a cell in a number format, you can't set option A decimal places, B use thousand separator, C negative numbers, D currency symbol. And correct option is option D, currency symbol. Question number 41. Where can you set the shading color for a range of cells in a Excel? Option A. Choose required color from a patterns tab format cells in a Excel. B. Choose required color on a fill color tool formatting toolbar. C. Choose required color on a fill color tool in drawing toolbar. Option D. All of the above. And correct option is option D. All of the above. Question number 42. Which of the following is invalid regarding the protection in Excel? Option A. Protect sheet. B. Protect workbook. C. Protect workspace. D. All of the above are valid. And correct option is option B. Protect workbook. Protect workbook is involved regarding the protection in Excel. Question number 43. How many recent files you can display on file menu at maximum? Option A 4, B 6, C 9, D 12. And correct option is option C 9. Question number 44. Each Excel file is called a workbook because option A. It can contain text and data. B. It can be modified. C. It can be containing many sheets including worksheet and chart sheet. D. You have to work hard to create it. And correct option is option C. It can be containing many sheets including worksheet and chart sheet. Question number 45. You can activate a cell by option A. Pressing the tab key. B. Clicking the cell. C. Pressing an arrow key. Option D. All of the above. And correct option is option D. All of the above. Question number 46. The query select star from employee returns option A. All rows from table with column name. B. All rows first column only. C. All rows and column. D. First row only. And correct option is option C. All rows and column. Question number 47. Which of the following is the property of primary key? Option A. Duplicate. B. Unique. C. Pictorials. C. Limited. And correct option is option B. Unique. So unique is a property of primary key. Question number 48. Full form of SQL is option A. Standard query language. B. Scientific query language. C. Statement query language. D. Structure query language. And correct option is option D. structure query language. Question number 49. What is the shortcut key to add a new slide in a presentation? Option A, Control plus N, B, Control plus M, C, Control plus P, D, Control plus O. And correct option is option B, Control plus M. Question number 50. Which function key is used for slide show? Option A, F3, B, F4, C, F6, D, F5. And correct option is option D, F5. Hey, if you have subscribed my channel, then don't forget to click on the bell and turn on your notification. Thank you so much for watching this video.